people have, that it's a support function only. It's not a support function. It is as much a very, very strategic function and a strategic partner.
HR is not somebody that you can run to once everything's messed up. You probably need to have, not probably, you should definitely have an HR sit along with you, have a seat at the table when you're taking decisions. Because when operations or somebody at the senior management takes decisions, it's almost all the discussions about what business, how business, and the profits and everything. But when you have an HR at the table, they'll ensure that they manage business at the same time, people as well who run the business.
In my current organization, that's the beauty, that I am involved in from the board meetings to the India leadership meetings, wherever we speak of the revenue or the company financials were spoken about. I am part of those conversations, and this is a deliberate move that my CEO asked us to make to ensure that HR is involved, because whatever we were going to do or are doing in the company for employees has a direct impact on that. So and we're able to build better strategies. If I know that I am doing something which will affect my direct cash flow for the company, I might as well say, okay, let's pause on it. We'll do it later. So that kind of helps all of us.
You actually got to have those skills where you can talk upfrontly. You need to understand what the opposite person is thinking, and maybe there would be situations where you are not prepared, but something can happen. You might be called, and then you got to be prepared with how you have to deal with that situation.